with a quick crypto update. And if you all about that altcoin season, you better watch this video till the end, because I made 2 investments and I told you about those guys, and now I am walking away from those trades or investments, and I think it's only right that I tell you guys about it. All right, and while we still add this, before I show you guys what's up, I would appreciate it now if you want to follow me every day on whatever I'm doing. I have just created a new Telegram channel. It's called Gray BTC Updates. Link is in the description below. Join right now to not miss out on anything. Now, the 2 investments that, because this is a quick video, the 2 investments that I made are OpenSquith and Rollbit. So let's look at Rollbit for the first time, right? Not for the first time, but let's first look at Rollbit and what's going on, because things are going crazy. And today, actually, everything we're going to look at is going to be on-chain based. So let's look at on-chain, right? This is Rollbit. Rollbit. What happened to Rollbit? But first, actually, let me show you where the story of Rollbit started. In the alpha group, I will search Rollbit. It's Rollbit. Okay. Rollbit. RLB. Okay, Rollbit. RLB. Okay, here we go. So I started telling you guys about Rollbit back in March, all right? And I say, then I came back on the 11th of April, and I said, RLB completely tapped out. I'm buying some. And I mean, if you look at the chart on that day, it was completely crazy. And I started making more updates and things like that. And now, if you look at this coin, and I think I also gave another update on that. It was about, raw Bitcoin burn is in 3 months, worth dollar cost averaging for that 3 months. So that was literally this is 4 months ago from now. And if you look at the price right now, I'll switch off my screen again. If you look at the current price, Rollbit has gone up 318% in the last 30 days alone. And shout out to Dean. He's the one who told me that, oh, bro, thank you for that call on Rollbit. I don't know if he's selling, but I told him that I sold 2 days ago already. So I'm making this video to tell you guys that I'm selling. I mean, I sold 2 days ago, 3 days ago now. I sold my Rollbit position. And the reason behind that is not that I'm saying it's not going to go up further, but I'm aware of we're not really in a bull market that much. Okay, we could see a massive reversal happen. So I think whenever you see profit, you're going to have to take it. But there's also another more important reason, which takes me, before that, I'll show you one more altcoin, and then we can jump onto what I'm buying next. And the next thing here is OpenSquith. So OpenSquith, we started really going at it when it was like $50. We celebrated doubling our money at $100. That was months ago. And now this coin is at $112. Not so much move really, considering that it only has a max supply of 5K tokens right here. All right. And I'm looking at the daily trading volume is pretty low. It's now reaching at $131,000. All right. So I already shared some of it months ago, but now I'm selling everything. Whenever I see an increase, maybe when it hits 2 million again, I'll start buying in more. But I'm selling. We're still at the profit. If you still has this position, it's not that I don't believe in this DeFi project, but I do think that there are other opportunities right now that can help us make more money in the short term. And then when we make profits, we can always go back and reinvest. So that is exactly what I'm thinking. And then for XRP, I'll also share with you guys what I'm doing on that one. Now, back to today's video, which is I'm selling those 2. What am I buying? Okay, here's one of the coins that I'm buying is Celo. I'm already an investor in Celo. You guys already know if you've been following me for a long time. But the CTO of Celo came out and said, after many months of research, I'm excited to share C-Lab's proposal for turning Celo into an Ethereum layer 2. So if you don't know, I can give you a little bit of a background because this is the proposal right here. You can follow what's going on there. Celo is another blockchain project. It's a crypto project that forked the Ethereum blockchain and created their own separate blockchain. You know, they had their own consensus mechanism, kind of innovative. They raised hundreds of millions of dollars from Silicon Valley VC, especially Andreessen Horowitz, S16Z, and several others, Sequoia as well. But these guys have seen the light now. They're like, come on, man. We're trying to do our own blockchain, but if you look at all the NFT or DeFi, all the activities are still happening on Ethereum. So now I think they're accepting the reality that, hey, it seems like Ethereum is the ultimate blockchain to be. If we had to compete and make some money out here, we might as well become a layer 2, just like Arbitrum, just like Optimism, because those are being used. I don't see anyone using Celo. And this is a good move, and I think it's positive for the Celo token. It's already making moves right now. If you look at the charts, you'll be able to see that Celo has been pumping in the last 24 hours after that news. So I am selling some of those. I'm selling Rollbit coins. I mean, I can keep a little bit of Rollbit because I made 3-4x on that one. But I will take much of the profit from there and invest it in Celo and Ethereum. This is Celo right now, still kind of positive. But if you zoom out of this and check, you can see, man, Celo, we have been down bad. Celo investors. Look at this. It's completely terrible. So I think this is the moment where Celo is going to make a bounce back, depending on how they're going to implement the upgrade to Ethereum again, or the conversion into the Ethereum blockchain. All right. Now, the other thing to put in mind is Ethereum itself. Ethereum hasn't moved, and news like what's going on with Celo right now, I think it's only going to accelerate the movement of Ethereum. Why am I saying this? A lot of projects are so shy, or they have ego, to say, look, we're failed as an independent blockchain, therefore we're going to join Ethereum. They say, no, we're going to keep promoting, and they're running out of money. The only way they can survive is converting to Ethereum. Imagine if BNB would have to do the same, or any other chains that are struggling. This is going to mean, this will only mean bullish for Ethereum. And if you look at Ethereum right now, it has, on the weekly chart, it already has the nitrous bull indicator signal says bullish. If you don't know what the nitrous bull indicator is, it is the indicator that I use to trade. You can find it at cryptouniversity.network. Link is in the description. And it tells you when the market is bullish and when it's bearish, you follow. Bull means buy, bear means sell. All right, but you can also change your mind in between if you want to. So this weekly chart on Ethereum has been saying bullish for weeks now, and it has maintained it only with one massive drawdown here to like 1.5, but that was long ago. But now it's been trying to break out multiple times. When Ethereum finally escaped velocity out of this properly and build a candle completely above $2,000, I think it's a full send. It's going to really be a great week where we can see $2.5 or $3,000 Ethereum incoming. So especially the money that I'm selling Rollbit and Open, I'm putting much of it into Ethereum. Some of it is going to go into Celo, of course, like I said. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you guys, all right? Or if you're still following my trade, if you're still following my trade on how to grow a small account of $3K to $50,000, I'm putting out an update on Instagram today. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. And for those of you guys who are in the Alpha group, there is a new mint going on right now on a completely new blockchain. I shared it with you. I made a video showing you exactly how you should do it. So do not blame me that I didn't tell you. Those of you who are not in the Alpha group, link is in the description. You can see even the raw Bitcoin that we just made 3x on right now. I posted it months ago in the Alpha group. If you're not there, you probably didn't know about that move, okay? So join in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Link to the free Telegram channel is also in the description below. But I think I think I'm doing something wise by selling these positions. I can always get back in. And as for XRP, quickly before we close, XRP USDT. So XRP on the weekly, Nitrous Bull is still bullish. And by the way, Nitrous Bull was bullish before the explosion happened. But if you switch it out to the daily, for the buyback strategy, those of you in the alpha group, I already told you to start buying when it was like $69, 69 cents the other day. I said, hey guys, it's safe to start a buyback right now. So if you had a leverage position, you are in some kind of a profit at the moment. But for XRP, I'm still looking at 60. All right, 60 would be like the ultimate, and 66, if it retests, I will try to re-enter. But most importantly, I'm waiting for the Nitrous Bull at the 4 hours to give me some calls. Currently, it's bearish. So I only entered with a small amount. And when the Nitrous Bull says bull on the 4 hour, I will get back in. And I know that it reached 78 or 79 the other night, yesterday, basically. But that didn't stay, right? So I'm still on the sideline. When Nitrous Bull goes bullish, that's only when I'm going back into this position, all right? So that's all I had for you guys. Shout out to everybody watching. Subscribe to this channel. Every single like I get, I do a push-up. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on TikTok. If you want to make money, this is the channel. All right? A lot of you guys are like, maybe you're watching my channel for the first time. You're like, who is this black guy who is always screaming about crypto every day? Okay? I can tell you, I am a cryptocurrency trader for years, and I'm very good at it. And I'm the only YouTuber, crypto YouTuber, who actually trade and show you exactly what he's doing. Grow a small account from $3K to $17,000 in literally 40 days while you guys are watching. So I'm not like one of these other guys. I'm the real deal. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Let's make money. Peace, guys.